Well, it's morning. It snowed all night. Still snowing. Fun, fun, fun. Let me go ahead and get myself some breakfast. And then I'll start tackling this winter wonderland. Okay, it's about 7:10 in the morning. The sun is just starting to come out. I fixed myself some breakfast. It's about, see what it says here on our handy dandy Walmart thermometer. It's cold. It's about 20 degrees. The wind has been blowing all night. The snow has been falling all night. It's started about 4 yesterday. It's 7. It's still snowing, so that's 15 hours of snow. I'm going to go ahead and pack up and head up to the next shelter. Hopefully I'll find it in the snow. If not, this may be the last message you find from me. It's beautiful, isn't it? And it did stop snowing, so. Alright, first of all, I'd like to apologize for the delay in getting this video out. I was pretty bummed out about having to get off the trail so soon. On Sunday, I took a tumble, managed to injure my knee pretty bad. As you can tell, in the last video I managed to damage my video camera as well. It stopped taking moving videos. It just would have audio, nothing else. The knee was bad enough. I went to urgent care. It hurt bad enough. It turned out that there was no real serious damage, but they did tell me to stay off the trail for about 3 weeks. So even though the 31-year-old me would say, okay, in a few days I'd be back on the trail, the 61-year-old me is going to pay attention and stay home for a little bit, rest it, slowly work it back up. I'm not done with the AT. I'm just going to take a slight break here. I do live in Frederick, so I have the advantage that I've got about 200, 300 miles of trail around me that I can do some day hikes, do a little slack packing to get that miles accumulated before I get back on there with a 30-pound pack on my back. While I was at the urgent care, they checked my heart and they said that I have a heart murmur. Probably nothing big, but they said see your primary care doctor. So I'm going to go ahead and see my primary care doctor while I'm taking this little rest. And unless they find something horrific, I'll be back on the trail soon. At the very least, doing some day hikes, a little slack packing, build up the endurance back in my legs, and then back on for a couple weeks at a time. Until then, I'll see you later.